Hello, I'm Dr. Michael Dempster. You maybe know me for working with me on films and music and opera and comics. I've put together quite a lot of stuff over the years. I was working with Scots language. So here's some of my comic stuff. Here's the very first Scots language manga, Gimar is Gerst Jock Do. I've done quite a bit of academic work, that's where the doctor thing comes from. This is on sounds in the Scots accent. I've done quite a few operas. This is our latest one coming up, Dido and Aeneas. That's going to be in Scots and Gaelic with the Scots Opera Project. That's coming up August 2018. Last year we done the Magic Flute. I put the Magic Flute into Scots. We performed that in a number of places, and before that I set the Descent of Orpheus into the Underworld, which was performed in loads of places as well. I sang in that day. So maybe ken me for all these kind of places. Maybe we've been in films together, films that I've wrote, or music that we've worked with for films. So what I'm doing with this is going to be my channel for putting wee bits and pieces out there. See, a lot of the work that I'm doing is trying to get Scots language and the way that folk in Scotland speak, the knowledge of that out there to folk. So I've got a few things coming this year. I'm going to have the Scots Emoji Dictionary coming out. Let's see if that'll go into focus there. So that'll be coming out sometime soon, working on that. And then I've got another couple of big books coming out. So I've got this in here, which is How Do You Know Sing in Your Own Accent by Michael Dempster. That's going to be coming out. I'm working on getting that ready to come out. It's about singing in a Scottish accent and singing with Scots language. And then I've got the big book that I've been working on for a number of years. This is Mind Your Language. So you see how chunky that is. Got hundreds and hundreds of explanations and lists of words about how Scots works, so how we talk English and how we talk Scots. That's what I'm working on getting out there. I want to get a web series out there, I know, about Scots language, so I can help folk that are involved in singing, anybody that's involved in poetry, writing, actors, anybody like that. Even just if you're wanting to get more Scots into your tweets and things like that, you know, if you're just wanting to use that, if you're thinking about how do I use my own voice quite naturally, then that's something I'm going to be exploring over the next couple of years. But what I want to do, I've got loads and loads of wee odds and ends, and I'm going to put them on this channel. So I'd like you to subscribe, ring the bell. I'll probably have a Patreon down there underneath, I know, if you want to leave tips or anything like that. Please leave comments in the comments section about things you want to see, things you want to understand about the Scots accent and Scots voices and Scots language. And I'll be putting all these up, so subscribe. I'll put them out through my Twitter feed, I know, which is at Dr. M Dempster on Twitter, and I'll get these videos out there. But cheers, this is just a wee introduction video, so I hope you enjoy what I'm putting up here. Thanks a lot.